Hi everyone, this is Manzi. Today I'm going to give you a full review of my new Küelox Oil Pastel. I guess this is how to pronounce. I also going to do a comparison to my Sakura Oil Pastel. So if you want to know the result, stay tuned. These are the whole set I got. On the right hand side, it's the like a basic color one. The middle, this one called macaron color, which I guess is inspired by the French bakery cake thing. On the left, this one called Morandi. It's inspired by artist Giorgio Morandi because those are more like grayish, pastelish color. This is the whole thing white. The last one is called Molate color. It's inspired by Claude Molate because you can see the water lily outside. These are how they look like when they open it. Again, this is the basic color, macaron, Morandi, Monate, which is white color. By the way, I already used some of them because I just cannot wait when I got them. When they are new, only the white one I have not used. So when you got it new, it's look like this. Let me take one out. So when it's brand new, it look like this. Okay, I am going to try it with the original one. Okay, first of all, I am trying to see how the blending feels like. Okay, so far it's really soft. Let me see. The texture is really good. It's really soft and it blends pretty well. Next, I'm going to try very regular way to just color it out flat. This is lighter pressure, stronger pressure, which come up pretty good. I am happy with the result when it's stronger pressure. The lighter pressure, I would think it's okay, it's not bad, but you can see those like wax together, it's not that smooth. The last way I'm gonna try is mix two colors with a palette knife. So I'm gonna try it out, see if they are easy to mix together. White. I guess because I am on an AC, the oil pastel needs to be a little bit harder. If I use a dryer, mine works better. So let me get a dryer. Wow, it's a lot softer. It's come out pretty good. I forgot to put the name. Okay, I put the name here. This it's the Küelox. And then the next, it's going to be Sakura. Let's try the Sakura one. I can tell the Sakura one, it's a lot more transparent and it's still smooth, but it's not as thick as the Küelox one. And when I mix color yellow together, They mix pretty well. The mixing is pretty good. And then let's go to just smooth it out. This is the strong pressure. This is the light pressure. I have to say, for the strong pressure, I prefer the Küelox way more better because the Sakura one is really transparent. But when it comes to the light pressure, I kind of like the Sakura one a little better. I think it's more smooth because the Küelox one, you see some like spot. You can see like some like bigger spot. This one is a little bit more smooth. However, when the big pressure one, you can see this is more opaque, and this Sakura one is a lot more transparent. Okay, last it's the mixing. Oh, sorry. When I get it, I can feel it's not as soft as the Küelox one. It's a lot harder. White. Okay, when I just mixing like this, it's pretty hard. So I need to use my dryer again. Okay, after the dryer it's a lot smoother. It's better. It's not bad after I use the dryer, but I have to say, if compared to the Küelox one, this one, when you use a palette knife, it's a lot smoother. So far, compared just the basic one, I think the Küelox one it's better because it's less transparent and it's easier to blend it out. But I'm not gonna make a final decision yet. I want to see how it looks like when I am making art. I'm going to draw exactly the same apple here by using just Küelox and Sakura. See the comparison. Okay, I am going to use Küelox first. So this one made with Küelox, and I am going to try do exactly the same apple by using Sakura. So let's do it. Okay, I have to say it's a little bit unfair because the Sakura one have 25 colors and the Küelox one has 36 colors, so they do have more colors, but I think we still get the general idea. Okay, the left one made with Küelox, the right one made with Sakura. You can see the left one blends a lot better. The right one, you can see this, the wax, kind of like the wax, it's keep
getting the color out of my underneath the color. So that you can see here too, it's not as blend as good as the Küelox one. So for the blending, absolutely the Küelox one is better.
Well, here are my final thoughts for Küelox Oil Pastel. First of all those oil pastel, no matter the original or the macaroon, Monet, they all the same, just different color. If you just want to try it out, I would suggest you got the original one. If you specific wants to do, for example, you want to do Monet, then of course you can get the Monet one. Depends what color you want. They are all the same. That's my opinion. The second thing is the texture. I love the texture a lot. It's really soft, really easy to blend. The last thing is the price. I asked my friend to buy this, then ship it to me. So the price is a little bit different if you buy it from China. However, I do find you can buy from AliExpress. Again, I never tried it out. I don't know how the service is that. I never tried it out. I just searched online to see they're available. So this one, 36 color on AliExpress, costs 21.82 and the shipping is $2.55. This one actually comes with the 24 color plus 2 white. If you got that one, the price is $17.57 plus $2.55 for shipping. So far that's the only website I saw it's available. If you know the other website they are available, please let me know because I love those. And it's not easy. I always ask friend to buy it and ship it to me. So for the Sakura Oil Pastel Expressionist, you can get it online so easy. It's around $11 to $14. If you are a beginner, you just want to try it out, I think Sakura can do the job already since it's easier to get. If you try oil pastel before and you just think it's not enough, like the blending is not that well, then I think Küelox, it's a more professional but still cheaper oil pastel. You can try it out. It's from China. Well, because there's some European brand, it's way more expensive. That's the reason I want to try it out. And I'm really happy with that, especially with the price. Another thing is compared to this two, it's if your oil pastel work, it's mostly something like this. It's not require that much blending. I think the Sakura one is good enough. The biggest problem is more like transparent. It's not that opaque. But if your work it's more like different color, they separate, require less blending, I think it's good enough. But if your work is something like this, I tried out this with Küelox, so it's require a lot blending, then I don't think the Sakura one will get the job done if require a lot of blending, because the Sakura one, when you blend too much, it just glide on the other colors. Kind of like it's too much wax. It just pain on the ass. Depends what kind of style work you want to do. Again, if you look at this two, this one is the Küelox, this one is the Sakura. It's not like huge difference, but you can see this one it blends better. Lastly, if you want to see how to do this Monet inspired lily flower oil pastel, comment below, let me know. If you guys like it, I can make a tutorial show you how to make this. It's really easy, by the way. It's not that hard, just a lot of blending. So I'll see you next week. Bye bye.